In this video, you will configure FortiAuthenticator as the Radius server for your Wi-Fi clients. You will first create a user and a user group on the FortiAuthenticator and configure it as a Radius client. Then you will make sure that the Fortigate can connect to the Radius server and configure Wi-Fi SSID so users can log into the Wi-Fi. On the FortiAuthenticator, go to Authentication, User Management, Local Users, and create a user. Enter a name and password, allow Radius authentication, and set role to user, then select OK. Once created, more optional settings will become available. Add as many users as you'd like. Next, go to Authentication, User Management, User Groups, and create the local user group. Add the users you wish to use the Wi-Fi network. Next, go to Authentication, Radius Service, Clients, and create a user account. Enter a name, the IP address of the Fortigate, a secret, and set authentication method to password-only authentication. Select the local user's realm, select the checkbox under Groups, and assign the group to the group's filter. Make sure to enable every EAP type. This will allow a variety of authentication methods. On the Fortigate, go to User and Device, Authentication, Radius Servers, and add the FortiAuthenticator as a Radius server. Enter a name, the IP address of the FortiAuthenticator, and the secret. You can test the connection with the credentials of any of the users that you have added to the FortiAuthenticator. Next, go to Wi-Fi and Switch Controller, Wi-Fi Network, SSID, and define the wireless network. Enter a name, set type to Wi-Fi SSID, set an IP network mask, and enable DHCP. An address range will automatically propagate. Under Wi-Fi settings, enter a name, set security mode to WPA2 Enterprise, set authentication to Radius server, and assign the Radius server. Next, go to System, Network, Interfaces, and confirm the Wi-Fi interface. Then connect the FortiAP unit and go to Wi-Fi and Switch Controller, Manage Devices, Managed FortiAPs. When the FortiAP is listed, select it and authorize it. Next, go to Wi-Fi and Switch Controller, Wi-Fi Network, FortiAP Profiles, and edit the profile. Make sure each radio has radio resource provision enabled and that the SSID is selected. Next, go to Policy and Objects, Policy, IPv4, and add the policy that allows Wi-Fi users to access the internet. Set the incoming interface to the SSID, the outgoing interface to WAN 1, and configure the rest as normal. Attempt to connect to the Wi-Fi network and enter user credentials that belong to the user group. Once you have connected, you should be able to successfully access the internet. To check the connection on the FortiGate, go to Wi-Fi and Switch Controller, Monitor, Client Monitor, and confirm that the user is connected. Thank you for watching. If you need further details, you can visit docs.fortinet.com to access our complete documentation library. Also check out cookbook.fortinet.com to check out more tutorials and videos like this one.